The address book manager is basically there to set up or synchronize with your address book. So it could be from Active Directory, it could be from other specific locations. But the easiest way to do this is straight from the Setup Wizard button. And here we can see three different areas here. First is, of course, to import the Exchange server. We've got Exchange Server Wizard, 2000, 2003, 2007, and 2010. We can click Next. Select the Active Directory configuration container. Here we can see the domain controller itself, a nice clean overview of the configuration as far as bringing in the Exchange server is concerned. Here's one I've already set up. You can see my version and the role has been set to mailbox as well. I won't bother clicking Next here because it's already been imported, but that's an example of how we can import the Exchange server. Importing mailboxes and importing Active Directory groups is step 2 and step 3. Of course, you need to decide exactly which mailboxes you would like to have archived. It won't do everything by default. You need to pick and choose exactly what you would like to have archived, and of course that is reflected in your licensing as well. Here we can import from Active Directory, from information stores, for example, or search in Active Directory. Let's go ahead and just import from our Active Directory here. We can select the container. We can change the container if you have other containers that you would like to choose or pick your users from, or you can even search your mailboxes in subcontainers as well. The choice is yours. Here's one we can see right now. We can select these specific mailboxes to import, admin. Here we can see the names associated with that import. Let's just check a couple here, click Next. There we go. Update the following mailboxes are already there, processing starting. Updating the mailbox, refreshing references. So if new people are joining the organization, you can also set this up automatically. We'll show you that in a separate presentation. Another way of doing it is, of course, importing from Active Directory, or you can create a user-defined group or import directly from Active Directory. Again, here's the container. Here we can look for the groups or the users, for example, that you would like to have added here. So I don't have a group set up there right now, so I'll close that one down and we'll choose second option here, which is create user-defined group. Here you can create your own group, create your own container, as it were. Let's call that one Test1. Click Next. So we can creating a manual group now. It's called Test1 HR. Group's been finished. And now if we actually go ahead and close that down, now go ahead and start archiving them.